It's important to schedule a meeting with the auditor to discuss the fiscal year's results, any significant or unusual transactions, and any personnel or accounting policy changes. If this meeting hasn't taken place yet, it should be prioritized. Early communication helps avoid surprises later on. Set expectations. A clear timeline should be established for finalizing audited financial statements. Manufacturers should get clarity on what schedules and reconciliations are needed, when they should be provided, and assign responsibility to the appropriate team members. Setting expectations early ensures everyone is aligned. Reconciliations. Ensure that all year-end reconciliations are completed, reviewed, and easily accessible. Providing audit requests as soon as reconciliations are finished, ideally even before they are formally requested, can allow the audit team to begin their work sooner, helping expedite the process.